So guys, to end the series on the paper mache paste, this week I wanted to show you the paper mache recipe, flour versus glue. What is the difference? So if you want to see what the difference is versus the flour and glue paper mache paste, keep on watching. For today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at the paper mache paste recipe, flour versus glue. What is the difference? So what I've done is I have the four. This is the cooked flour, plain flour with water and just stirred. The white Elmer's glue with salt, and the wood glue with flour. And so we're just going to divide this bowl up, and what we're going to do is put it on it, and we want to see what each of them looks like and what effect you're going to get if you use it. So first I'm going to start with I'm going to use my finger, sorry guys. And we're going to go all the way down. Okay, and we're going to let that dry. Now we're going to use the white flour. Now remember, with the white flour, it's going to change colors. Now we're going to go over on this side. The wood glue with the flour, I didn't have it in a container because my container actually broke. So I just had it in this bowl with another plate over top of it. So we are going to put this here. This is also gliding on nicely, and because it's thicker, you're able to get more on. Okay, and now we're going to use the white glue. We're going to leave just a little bit of space. The white glue doesn't have any residue at the bottom. And we're going to use the white glue here. Okay guys, we're going to just leave this like this, and we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to come back and see what the difference is. To be one of the first to watch my videos, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my videos every Tuesday. Okay guys, so they're almost dried. This is the translucent flour paste that was created on the stove, and you can see what it actually does is it changes the color. You can see that now it's burgundy, and this is the white. So what the white does, it enhances some of the spots. So I did it up here so you can see it leaves a white residue. The clear leaves a clear kind of powdery residue like a glazed donut. Now the glue, both of them actually dissolve. Can you see that? It goes invisible, and this portion goes invisible, and here up the top, the exact same thing. So this is what it's going to do with your project, which I like to use this paste here. This is the flour paste that is not created on the stove. I like to use that to age my bowls because it gives that little powdery effect, and it defines and highlights certain areas, and it leaves it powdery. The clear one, and this is the one that's created on the stove, I like to use that when I'm creating a bowl and I just want to add stiffness to it. So I'll put it on, put it in the oven, put it on, put it on the oven, or put it outside. What I like about that is you can also use it when you're creating your bowls and you need just a little bit of slip. You want to kind of smooth out your paper mache. You can use that, and it doesn't really change the look that much when it's wet. So it's not going to give you that powdery. For the glue ones, I like to use them if I'm using the strip, or I put it in my paper mache paste when I'm making it. And that's because you can't see any difference up at the top. And then also this one's more expensive. so the flower is the exact same and it's more natural. If you wanted to tag me on any of your creative projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on, and I also have my Facebook page where you are able to upload different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know the difference between the paper mache paste recipe, flour versus glue, you can check out this tutorial next on how to make paper mache, because you can use this paste to actually get the stick for your paper mache. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.